How to enable dynamic checkout buttons in your product pages on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So this is going to be a very simple solution or a very simple thing to do, yet very powerful because you're going to give your customers options or different options for payment methods. So we can just go ahead and get started with that. So first we're just going to go ahead and open up our Shopify admin, and then from here we're just going to go to online store, go to themes, and then just click on customize. Now once we open up our customization page, we just want to go to the default product page, and in order to do so we can either just do it by clicking on any product that we see on our site, or we can just click on the top here where we see home page and click on products. Once you click on products, you should find default products, click on that, and then you should find yourself in the default product page. Now here for me it is already enabled, but for you, you may only see add to cart option, and to show this and even more, you will need to just go ahead and click on buy buttons on the left panel here. You will see template, and then you'll see all these elements, and you just want to click on buy buttons. So once you actually click on it, you should find the first option here, show dynamic checkout buttons. Using the payment methods available on your store, customers see their preferred options like PayPal or Apple Pay. So once you actually enable this, it's actually going to show up with the payment methods that you have connected. So for me, in this specific store, I did not connect any payment method yet. So I don't really have PayPal or Apple Pay or Google Pay to show for this. But if you did, it's actually going to show over here with buy it now, with for example Apple Pay, or buy it now with PayPal, and you also may see more payment options which people will be able to see. So this is going to be especially great instead of adding to cart and then realizing it later on. People can just go ahead and check out right away using this button. Now this is pretty much how to enable it. If you want to disable it, it's pretty much exactly going to be the same way, but let's just go ahead and check if it's actually available on all products here, and you can see that it actually is. And like I said, if you want to disable it, it's going to be exactly the same steps. Let's just go ahead and go through them one more time. Online store, themes, customize, and then you just want to head on over to the default product page. I'm just going to go through it by clicking on one of the products instead this time. And then you just want to go to template here, find the buy buttons and show dynamic checkout buttons, turn off, and you pretty much are set. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.